Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I want us to style the touchable opacity, and this is whereby we replace out by sign up and we give it a style whereby we are giving it a width of 100% and flex direction is a row, meaning the column. If you want vertical stacking, you can do so. We also have just recorded flex end, align, flex end, and padding of 20. So this is how this keep is going to be done and located. But still, that is, the text itself is also styled right here, whereby we have color to black, font size 16, and font family Jack 4. So Jakarta board, right? So that is how we have it. Remember that this other text is just green. The other text of from the touchable opacity that belong to home itself. But now we have other thing called swiper, and swiper assists us in scoring the screen from one page to another during the loading.